Okay, so why did you decide to stand for the Welsh Youth Parliament elections?
Well, I wasn't actually elected in the main election. I'm a member of Talking Hands, which is a partner organisation, and I heard about the opportunity and I thought that it would be a really good idea for, thought it would be a good experience.
So the Welsh Youth Parliament, what did you think it would be like?
I mean, I wasn't really sure because I've never been involved in anything like it before, really. So it was a completely new experience, but it was really good and it was amazing.
So being a Welsh Youth Parliament member, what did you actually do?
I think, well, so we went to a lot of meetings, and we talked about like the issues, so mental health, the environment, and education, and we talked about what we could do to help. And unfortunately, I don't think we did as much as we could have because of coronavirus, and we were the first parliament. But we did some surveys and focus groups and stuff like that, and it was good. I think we could have done a lot more if we had a bit more time there.
Okay, so the next question, number 4. So with the Welsh Youth Parliament, being a member, how has that sort of helped you personally?
I think it's definitely, for a start, made me a lot more confident with public speaking, and I think I've also picked up some skills with organization and events and stuff like that. And yeah, I think I've learned some useful things, and I obviously learned about the issues themselves that we were, talking about.
So with the Welsh Youth Parliament, what kind of impact do you think it's had?
Like as I said in the other question, I think we did some stuff, but I think that we definitely could have done a lot more if we had a bit more time and coronavirus wasn't such a big issue and stuff. But I think we made I think we definitely raised some awareness on the issues.
Yeah, I know. Coronavirus caused a lot of disappointments.
Yeah.
What were we on, number 5
now? 5 or 6, is it?
Yeah, so yeah, I'm not sure. So with regard to the Welsh Youth Parliament and being a member of it, did you sort of meet new friends from different backgrounds?
Yeah, I definitely made a few friends. And yeah, there was tons of all sorts of different people from different backgrounds. It was really interesting getting to know some of them and like their life stories basically. Yeah, there were so many cool people involved. Not just the members, but some of the staff too.
With the Wales Youth Parliament and being a member of it, would there be access for a person who uses British Sign Language?
Yeah, I think they were definitely very accommodating with the speech text and with the meetings and stuff, making sure that I got everything. And in the group activities as well, there were people checking to make sure that I'd understood. And yeah, I think they handled it really well.
Sorry. So being a Welsh Youth Parliament membership, has that kind of helped you, do you think, in terms of sort of, future roles? You talk about confidence building and public speaking and things like that. So do you think that it's sort of something that's going to benefit you for the future, having been in that role?
Yeah, it's definitely helped me a lot with my confidence in public speaking, and also obviously it's a good thing to have on your CV and stuff like that. And yeah, it's made me a lot more confident. I can definitely, for sure.
So yeah, so really important to sort of build up your CV for the future.
Yeah.